Can I do PLong if I have a penile implant? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Once you have a penile implant, it would be impossible to do the PLong protocol. Who is the best candidate for PLong? Our best candidates are men between the ages of 20 and about 50 or 55. Men that have normal erectile function that want a natural, safe, effective way to symmetrically increase the length, girth, and function of the penis. If you have erectile dysfunction, if you have Peyronie's disease, if you have other penile pathology, you may or may not be a candidate for the PLong protocol. Who is not a candidate for the PLong protocol? Well, if you have moderate to severe erectile dysfunction, if you have a penile implant, if you have severe Peyronie's disease, I would say that you're not an ideal candidate for the PLong protocol. Does the PLong protocol prevent me from pursuing other options for penile enhancement? And the answer to this is no. The PLong protocol is natural and it's safe. And if you want to have fillers, if you want to have fat transfers, if you want to pursue a pneuma after the PLong protocol, it would be totally safe.